Guys, you know say today me I go to the one fasting. So me go every Sunday and Thursday. The church on Arnold Road, top side of YCA, then keep service there. Every Thursday and Sunday. You see when me go in the yard, me go early and me go sit down. You see me sit down on the tree. The bodyguard them were always in the church, walk around, the pastor man. One of them must say, come to me and tell me, say, me feel leave. Me say, when me feel leave, him saying get a call, say, me must leave. Me say, how me do? Him say, me no, I'm one know what me do. He must say, me must leave. Leave go where? Not church. Church where change people's life. The man say, no. And I don't know if I may be known on TikTok. Because everybody on TikTok, everybody, if I quarrel, I talk about quarrel, everybody call on TikTok. And I'm alone call on TikTok. Everybody call on TikTok. Every soul call on TikTok. And no people on TikTok because want me. And you turn back someone out of church, want calling, dancer calling to get this and ask about it for me. Because me not going to make no problem. I'm not going to make no problem to nobody. And I'm going to tell you, say you can't come in a church. That is wickedness. Pastor Road with a YCM. This time I got this man and then turn me back. Out, don't come back. I don't know. I don't know, but one calling Davis, calling dancer queen, call me dance. Yes, she already at the church. Want to get the video and look into it and ask about it. And tag Derrick Morgan and respond to Derrick's video. Dancehall Queen calling. Want to respond to the video, you know. Calling. I want to respond to this video right now. Calling. Dancehall Queen calling. She got the church to want to ask her. We get in touch with the pastor and ask him about it. Or come somebody can turn somebody back out of church. I'm say criminal kind of people who can kill people. I mean, who can kill people. And the preacher tells you to tell this the man not to come back to the church, not to come back there. So I want dancer queen call him. Ask the professor about it because I know with him, I cannot kill nobody, I cannot murder nobody. Why them are turning back to the church? Church like that? Come on! Honor say God a come for him world. The batty and the back turn on to woman now.
I know the TikTok man this like you want to joke.
Yeah, me see. Yeah. Me say guys. Anytime there man step up on the road, I be a man. I look me on the road. When the last car man I stop, I video me and say, hi babes, yes, my love. And them say them a straight man and I stop on a video Derrick Morgan. Yes. Yeah. Man. No, see that's up. That dirty bike man. Should have gone to the car. Remember the video. Should have gone to the blood car, the junk crew. Yes. You might want to, you know, the dirty bike man with his past to cover by his front. And me run down a ride down bound pan. But me now look on the dirty bike boy. I'm a look man too, you know, the bike man. And what of them look man, you know. The bike man, them look man. But the bike man, the car man, everybody look. I look Derrick on the road. Yeah. Come on for this dirty bike man, you're drunk, bro. Dirty bike man, you're my dog shit. I know don't walk out people. Yeah. The bike man. TikTok. I be a man that look me on the road. Be a car man. I better than the back girl them up on TikTok. Better than them clock and the man now look on them. The car man now look on them. I be a walk with a look on them. I be a dead old man. Ah, darling. See there? I want bike somebody this. Yeah, look me. Yeah. Alright, Papa. Alright, darling. When them people easy, me say the girl see me, you know. The girl see me and come on and the girl video me, you know. And when the girl done video me, yeah, girl. Derrick, where you go? Me say, where me I go? Me just tell some man, me a catch from man, me a catch man, and me not get no man to catch. Cause this one hot, this sun hot. So now man, the man they now come out. Now the sun out a blood clot. Yeah, but just tell her, say the man they not come out. Yeah, because this one we're very hot now blood clot. I out at this one. I be a man meow. I look for catch the blood clot son. As you come and go tell me, Derrick, how you go? I say a man me out clot catch. A man me out clot catch. Yes, man, me a catch. And the sun out here.